The iPhone 17 Air has been making waves for months, and at this point, there's no doubt it's happening. Apple is set to launch its slimmest iPhone ever this fall, and the leaks are coming hot. From dummy unit sightings to spec reports, we're getting a clearer picture of what this ultra-thin iPhone will bring to the table. And honestly, I'm all in. After using the iPhone 16 Plus and 16 Pro Max as my daily drivers for weeks, I love the big screens, but wow, those phones are chunky. The thought of a slimmer iPhone with a large display is seriously exciting. Sure, there will be trade-offs, but they might not be as bad as you'd think. According to Mark Gurman's latest report, Apple originally wanted the iPhone 17 Air to have a 6.9-inch display. But to avoid any bendy phone issues like the iPhone 6, they settled on a 6.6-inch screen instead. It'll feature super slim bezels like the iPhone 16 Pro, a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and the same dynamic island cutout we've seen before. And while there's talk of an aluminum build, that seems odd since Apple still wants full MagSafe support. We'll see how that plays out. Apple wanted to make the iPhone 17 Air completely portless, relying only on wireless charging and data transfer. But they held off, likely because of potential regulatory backlash. That said, if the iPhone 17 Air sells well, Apple will likely ditch the USB-C port in future models. And if that happens, expect more iPhones to go ultra-slim too. This isn't just another iPhone, it's a glimpse into what's next. The iPhone 17 Air will introduce key technologies that Apple will use in its upcoming foldable iPhone. That means its battery, display, modem, and chip advancements could set the stage for an iPhone Fold. Here's what's under the hood. A 19-chip, faster, more efficient, and built for the long haul. C1 modem, Apple's in-house modem, which should improve connectivity. 48-megapixel rear camera, just one lens, but Apple will likely optimize the heck out of it. No physical SIM slot, eSIM only, so get ready to say goodbye to that tiny tray. Camera control button, a new way to tweak camera settings on the fly. If you're worried that a thinner phone means terrible battery life, Apple's got your back. Gurman says battery life is a top priority, even over the camera or 5G capabilities. With the iPhone 16 lineup already boasting better battery life than its predecessors, and rumors of Apple exploring silicon carbon and solid-state batteries, we could see some big gains here. Maybe even this year. Fingers crossed. Expect the iPhone 17 Air to retail for around $900, similar to the iPhone 16 Plus. That's not cheap, but considering Apple's pricing history, it could have been worse. Apple isn't just making a thinner iPhone for fun, this is a stepping stone to something much bigger. The iPhone 17 Air could be the foundation for Apple's foldable iPhone, setting new standards for battery, display, and connectivity. So, are you excited about the iPhone 17 Air? What do you think about a portless future? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay tech savvy.